Oh, why didn't you wake me up, you dirty pig? You probably like that. Oh. Anyway. Let me see, what should I talk about today on the Robot Bomb Show? I think I should talk about something new. I hate school. School really sucks. Well, anyway, music, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Not you. I hate you. You're a pig. And you. And me. Because I did it. Nobody else. I'm magic. Like, watch this. I can make it stop. Right? Now. You turn that down right now. Okay. I said now. God. No. I'm gonna smack you right upside the head, you little twerp. I'm gonna beat you so bad, you and your grandchildren are gonna feel it. 1, 2, I mean, sometime today.